guys, my name is Sami Al-Haddad, aka the Blacksmith. Famous as a sportman, started the sport as a football player and end up as a professional bodybuilder. Won most of the shows that have been given to me by the kingdom, and I end up being a professional bodybuilder and reach Mr. Olympia, which is the biggest show in the world. Well, I'm doing good, thank you. As long as I'm healthy, I thank God for that, because without being healthy, you would not be able to achieve and proceed your day. Well, I played a couple of roles in the history of being a sportsman. They've been given to me to be an actor, and I accepted. Then I pulled out, and I did act on the stage when I step on stage, because when you step on stage, you have to send a message. You have to give a presentation that the audience and the spectator would remember. It's kind of entertainment, and I've been famous by being that gladiator. Well, if being given a good role for me in a movie, definitely I'll be in it. I've been known by being giving some kind of acting and putting some smile on people's face, and hope one day when I get the right one, I'll be in a movie. Well, I can play a bad person. I can play a good person in the movies, but I'd rather to be a good hero that, you know, save or take care of the people or support, to be remembered among the people that I'm a good guy, which is I'm actually a good guy. Well, telling you briefly about myself, my full name is Sami Ibrahim Al-Haddad. I was born on 24th June 1973. I was born in Muharraq, and I've been raised up in Isa Town. They call it Madinatul Udama. So yeah, I'm proud to be part of Isa Town, and I'm still in Isa Town. Well, my hobbies, which is I like bike riding, fishing. The best one is shooting. I used to travel to Kuwait because they have a commercial shooting range on weekly basis, just to shoot about 2 hours and then come back, because this is one of the best things I've been specialized in when I was in the military. They're doing a good shooting. I'm a good sniper too. A car I wish to obtain, actually, there's one car I always just look at in the street. Maybe there's a lot of them, but really I wanted to own one day. It's a 911 Porsche Turbo, especially the latest one. To me, the best motoring car is GTR Nismo, which is really a car that's been built with precision that can embarrass many expensive cars. Best classic car, it's right behind me. It's my truck. Best car ever made, I think definitely it's Bugatti. I don't think it's from the performance, and from the name, from the technology in this car, and by far, no one can compete with it. Definitely Bugatti. Very expensive, and I cannot afford it. Camaro, definitely one of my next affordable collector car. This car, which is really unique in the street. I don't know even the name of this car. Well, If this is Mustang Shelby that you're talking about, which is Eleanor, ha, I would give up everything to it. Oh, McLaren. I had some video on my Instagram that it was for my friend Karim Dashti, and they thought I bought this car. Ha, I don't fit inside, so it's for small guys. 1960 Mercedes, so for old men, not my type. Porsche. Whew. Whatever start with Porsche, end up with ching. Well, this car Ferrari is whatever model it is, it's a Ferrari. And when it comes to the road, everybody will give you a space. Toyota Prius. If you want to have problem in the street, ride this car. Ford, when it comes to a truck, F-150, rules in the street, Tehran, the mountains, everywhere. This car is tough. Dodge Ram, I have little respect for it because when it starts pretty tough truck. But later, Maybach. Do you know what does that mean too? That means definitely Al-Walid bin Talha. Maybach 6, definitely Walid bin Talha. Well, the best ride ever gonna be, I remember in Miami, South Beach, having my truck and playing the music, which is definitely choosing song Lady by Kenny Rogers. And definitely my lady next to me, which is my wife, Elvira, the mother of my son and daughter, and just hitting the horizon and listening to the song over and over because this song would carry every word for her. And there is no better time, ride, and companion next to me than my wife and then this road and the South Beach. Well, so many people asking me how did you end up owning a gym, a supplements company, nice rides, a couple of rides, sport, classic, whatever I wish to have. My advice is whatever you do in life, try to give 110% period. Never give up. Life is full of obstacles, up and down, because that's life, it's given. It would never be given to anybody that's straight without up and down. But the people which is being special, when they go down, they get up quick. And they never waste time asking why me, why it happened to me, why do I... Just go continue and look forward. And for me, I was always hungry. Hungry for better, hungry for more. And if I've been special than any other athletes that didn't achieve anything in their life, it's because they didn't grab the chance that passed them. The chance will pass everyone. It's just up to you to grab it and do what it takes for this chance to work. God will help you, God will be there, but God will never do the job for you. You have to do the job. So work hard in anything. Be loyal, be dedicated, give your best effort to it, and it will pay off at the end. Wish you all the best all. Sammy the Blacksmith.